Did you know there's a powerful remedy that's been almost completely forgotten? Old world doctors used to rely on a very simple mixture to solve those stubborn health problems that come with aging. Just two ingredients, garlic and honey, but specifically fermented garlic and honey. The real secret isn't just the ingredients, it's the fermentation. It unlocks a chemical called allicin in a powerful way. And just as importantly, it completely gets rid of the stomach upset that raw garlic causes. Take George, for example. At 82, he was told his nasty barking cough was just a normal part of getting older. It kept him and his wife awake, and nothing the doctors gave him worked. His life genuinely changed with a single spoonful of this old mixture. I'm going to walk you through 17 different problems this tackles, and I bet you're dealing with at least 3 of them right now. Please don't skip ahead, because the trick for clearing up that awful brain fog is hidden at number 10. And another great secret for brittle nails is coming up at number 15. We've got a lot to cover. Let's jump in. Now, before we jump into the 17 secrets, we must talk about the single most critical step. This is where most people fail and give up. If you just mash raw garlic and mix it with honey, you'll end up with a harsh, spicy paste that's tough on your stomach, and it won't have the real power. The magic, the key to the old doctor's remedy, is in the simple process of fermentation. Here's exactly how you make this potent remedy correctly, step by simple step. First, take several heads of fresh garlic. Gently peel every single clove. Now this is crucial. Do not crush it. You must only bruise it lightly, or make 1 or 2 small slices on the clove. This gentle injury is what starts the release of the deep beneficial compounds, but it keeps the mixture mild and stomach-friendly. Next, place those gently bruised cloves into a clean glass jar. You need to use raw, unfiltered honey, the kind with the real enzymes. Pour that honey over the garlic until every clove is completely drowned, with about an inch of honey floating above them. Now comes the weight. The fermentation. This is simple, but you must remember 2 things. Seal the jar loosely, do not seal it tightly, because gas will build up and you don't want a mess. Leave the jar alone at room temperature, out of the direct sun, for at least 2 weeks. Flip the jar over gently once a day. You will see bubbles. That's the good, friendly bacteria doing the work for you. After about 2 weeks, the mixture is finally ready to use. The garlic cloves will be soft, almost like candy, and the honey will be thin and savory. This soft, fermented garlic is now gentle enough for the most sensitive stomach, and its health compounds are at their absolute peak. Don't skip this step. 1. Soothing stubborn coughs and sore throats. You know that nagging, dry cough that keeps you awake and makes your chest ache? It is a miserable, persistent irritation that makes you dread going to sleep. This is exactly what George, the man I mentioned in the hook, was dealing with. His cough kept him up, and those strong syrups just made him drowsy. Here's why this fermented mix works where simple syrups fail. The honey is what doctors call a demulcent, a simple word for a substance that coats and soothes inflamed throat tissues, instantly reducing the urge to cough. The fermented garlic supports your body's response to irritation and helps calm the overactive nerves in your airways. Your relief method is simple. Take 1 teaspoon of the fermented honey mixture slowly, allowing it to fully coat your throat. Do this before bed and once during the day as needed. George felt a noticeable difference the first night, and within 5 days, his cough was nearly gone. Before we continue, please note that this information is not a substitute for professional medical advice. 2. Easing sinus congestion and allergy symptoms. If you feel like your head is stuffed with cotton, especially when the seasons change, you know how draining it can be. It's the constant pressure behind your eyes, the dull ache, and the inability to taste your food properly. You deserve to breathe clearly again. This mixture is your simple ally for clearer breathing. The honey attracts water, which helps thin out the thick, sticky mucus trapped in your sinus cavities. The fermented garlic works to calm your overactive sinus tissues. It's a gentle 2-part action: thin the mucus and calm the lining. The application guide is to stir 1 tablespoon of the mixture into half a cup of warm, not hot, water. Sip it slowly, breathing the gentle steam in through your nose as you drink. Do this twice daily. Remember, don't use hot water, as high heat kills the gentle, natural enzymes that help clear your sinuses. 3. Boosting weakened immune defenses. As we get older, our immune system can get a little sluggish. It's like a tired security guard who misses things he should be catching. You feel run down, you get sick more easily, and the recovery takes longer. Fermenting the garlic creates a new level of natural defense compounds that your body can easily absorb. The honey is a gentle prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good microbes in your gut, where up to 70% of your immune strength actually lives. Your daily ritual is to take 1 teaspoon every morning right before breakfast. You'll start feeling a gentle, steady resilience, and your energy will be more consistent. This simple daily spoonful is also the key to reducing that embarrassing bloat and gut-related bad breath in our next step. 4. Revitalizing digestion. Reduces bloating and gut-related bad breath. Do you feel heavy and sluggish after you eat? Or deal with that embarrassing sour smell on your breath even after brushing? This is often a sign of a slow, unbalanced gut where food isn't breaking down correctly. The fermentation process makes the garlic mild enough for a sensitive stomach. It works to support the right balance of friendly bacteria in your gut. The honey, being a natural prebiotic, helps those good bacteria thrive. When your gut flora is balanced, you get less gas, less bloating, and that old heavy feeling disappears. The best time to take it. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture right after your largest meal of the day. This simple change in your gut health will directly support your overall wellness. Remember this point when we discuss the key to deeper, more restful sleep later in number 12. 5. Reducing morning joint stiffness, inflammation support. When you wake up, do your knees, hands, or back feel like they need an hour of painful effort to finally unstick? That stiffness is a sign of inflammation, like a small continuous fire smoldering inside your body overnight. The compounds in both ingredients are rich in natural antioxidants. The fermented garlic delivers these compounds in an easily absorbed form, acting like gentle fire extinguishers for those small inflammatory fires in your joints. The honey helps to soothe the body's overall systemic stress. The consistent approach is to mix 1 teaspoon into your morning tea or warm water and drink it daily. Eleanor, a 76-year-old retired nurse in Florida, loved to garden, but her hands were so stiff she couldn't grip her trowel. After using the mix for 3 weeks, she noticed the stiffness was reduced enough that she could start gardening again. 6th. Combating fungal skin issues, like athlete's foot. That itchy, flaky, scaly skin between your toes or under your nails is caused by a stubborn little fungus. It's embarrassing and difficult to get rid of because these fungi are so resilient. The key here is the direct, local application. The garlic's natural compounds have a gentle cleansing property that fungi simply do not like. The honey works as a perfect natural binder to keep the garlic where it needs to be. For direct topical use, mix a small amount of the fermented garlic and honey with a few drops of coconut oil to create a paste. Apply a small amount directly to the affected area before bed. Cover with a cotton sock or a small bandage. A common mistake to avoid is never rushing the drying process. Fungi thrive on moisture. 7. Aiding minor skin blemishes and cuts, topical. As we age, our skin heals slower. A small scratch or blemish seems to linger for weeks, leaving marks that take forever to fade. The pure honey helps keep the area moist and clean, which is exactly what a healing cut needs to regenerate tissue correctly. The gentle compounds in the fermented garlic supports the skin's natural recovery process. The healing dab. Put a tiny dab of the mixture on a cotton swab. Apply it directly to the blemish or the minor cut. Cover with a clean bandage and leave overnight. Many people notice that small blemishes that would normally linger for a week clear up much faster and look less red after just a few nights. This is wonderful for the surface of your skin, but the next secret is about what happens beneath the surface. Solving the mystery of your cold hands and feet. 8. Poor circulation. Cold hands and feet. Do you struggle with icy cold hands and feet even when the rest of the room is warm? You can't get comfortable in bed. This is often a sign that your blood flow is a little restricted. Fermented garlic retains gentle compounds that are known to support the easy flow of blood. It's a subtle, long-term support for your body's natural circulation process. The honey helps the body absorb these gentle compounds more easily into your system, making it part of your day. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture with your breakfast and make sure to drink a full glass of water. Hydration is essential for good circulation. To see the best results for your circulation, the quality of your ingredients matters. 9th. That midday energy slump. Around 2 p.m., do you hit a wall? You feel completely exhausted, reaching for coffee or a sugary snack just to make it through the afternoon? That energy slump steals hours of productivity. This mixture offers a steady, natural lift. The raw honey is easily digestible, providing gentle, sustained energy. The fermented garlic supports your body's ability to use that energy more efficiently throughout the day, preventing that sudden dive. The 1 p.m. boost. If you know the slump is coming, take half a teaspoon of the mixture around 1 p.m. before the fatigue hits. You will feel a gentle, lasting lift without the jitters or the crash that caffeine gives you. But that energy won't matter if your mind is still foggy, which brings us to the key to mental sharpness in number 10. 10. Brain fog and trouble focusing. That feeling of standing in a room and forgetting why you walked in, that's what people call brain fog. Your mind feels hazy, and sharp focus seems impossible. Your brain needs a steady supply of good fuel and protection. The fermented garlic works to support the tiny, delicate blood vessels that feed your brain, ensuring it gets the clean circulation it needs. The honey is a superb source of natural glucose, which is the brain's preferred fuel. The Clear Mind Protocol? Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture 3 times a week with your breakfast. Susan, a 70-year-old retired school teacher, was devastated because she couldn't remember the details of the books she loved to read. After incorporating this mix into her morning routine for 2 weeks, she suddenly felt a clear path open up in her mind. 11. High blood pressure support. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for heart health as you age. When your blood pressure is too high, it puts unnecessary strain on your heart. Fermented garlic has a long history of traditional use in gently supporting healthy circulation. The compounds released by the fermentation process gently support the body's natural ability to relax blood vessels. The honey acts as a gentle, soothing tonic for the entire circulatory system. The evening support. Take 1 teaspoon daily, ideally with dinner. Do not, under any circumstances, stop or change any blood pressure medication without talking to your doctor. A common mistake is thinking a natural remedy can instantly replace prescription drugs. 12. Restless sleep. Do you spend half the night tossing and turning, unable to settle down? It's the lack of deep, restful sleep that keeps your body from truly repairing itself. Restlessness can often be linked to low-level internal stress and gut discomfort. The honey has a calming, gentle effect on your entire nervous system. It is a natural source of a calming compound called tryptophan. The fermented garlic helps reduce any low-grade inflammation or gut discomfort that might keep your body from settling down. Preparing for rest. Take 1 teaspoon mixed with a small amount of warm milk or herbal tea about 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. Frank, a retired veteran in his late 70s, struggled with restlessness every single night. After trying the nighttime honey and garlic routine, he noticed within a week that he was falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. 13. Oxidative stress, body rusting. Oxidative stress is simply what doctors call rusting inside your body. It happens when unstable molecules damage your cells. We need to fight this internal rust daily. Both honey and fermented garlic are rich in what we call antioxidants. These are the compounds that naturally stop the rusting process. The honey is packed with these protectors, and the fermented garlic provides its own unique, highly stable form. Your long game strategy. Take your daily dose, either morning or evening, without fail. Think of this mixture as a gentle, natural coating that keeps the internal machinery of your body running smoothly without corrosion. This protective layer also supports your outer appearance, which brings us to the sudden relief you can get for deep ear aches in number 14. 14. Stubborn earaches, applied around the ear. If you feel that dull, deep ache around your ear, it can be distracting and painful. This discomfort can interfere with your ability to hear and follow conversations. The gentle, soothing properties of the honey, combined with the anti-inflammatory effects of the fermented garlic, can work wonders when applied externally around the ear. Localized comfort. Warm a small amount of the honey mixture in a tablespoon until it is just slightly warm to the touch. Gently massage a small amount behind and around the outer edge of the ear canal and down the jawline. Never ever put this mixture directly into the ear canal. The most common mistake is applying it cold. Warming it gently helps the compounds penetrate. 15. Weak, brittle nails. If your fingernails and toenails are thin, easily broken, and look weak, it can be a sign that your body needs better overall internal nutrition. Weak nails are often a window into the health of your internal structure. When you take the mixture orally, the natural compounds from the fermented garlic and honey are used by your body to support new cell growth. Honey aids in the absorption of micronutrients from the garlic that are essential for strong keratin. The inner strength dosage. Increase your intake to 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening. The next secret, related to headaches, is often linked to the same underlying tension that affects your nail beds. So stick around to learn how to soothe that tension. 16. Headaches from tension. Do you get that tight, squeezing feeling around your head that signals a tension headache? This is often a physical response to stress, where the muscles in your neck and head tighten up. Instead of immediately reaching for a pill, this mix offers a gentle, natural, soothing effect. The honey can help calm an overactive nervous response. The gentle anti-inflammatory compounds from the fermented garlic can help relax the subtle tightness in the blood vessels and tissues surrounding your head. The quiet moment method. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture mixed into a glass of cool water and sit quietly for 10 minutes in a dark room. It's the combination of the natural pause, the simple hydration, and the relaxing compounds in the mix that allows the physical tension to slowly melt away. 17. Minor gum irritation as a mouth rinse. If your gums feel tender, easily irritated, or look puffy when you brush or floss, it's a sign that they need gentle support. Gum health is vital for your overall well-being. This final secret shocked old doctors with its simplicity. When the garlic and honey mixture is diluted and used as a simple rinse, the gentle cleansing properties of the honey work with the supportive power of the fermented garlic to soothe the sensitive tissue in your mouth. The daily rinse. Mix 1 teaspoon of the fermented honey mixture into a 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. Swish the mixture around your mouth and gums for about 60 seconds, then spit it out. Do this once a day after brushing your teeth in the evening. Carol, a 63-year-old from Ohio, was dreading her annual dental checkup because her gums were often puffy. She started using this rinse for 3 weeks before her appointment, and her dentist noted a visible reduction in irritation. We've unlocked 17 secrets for natural support. No expensive pills needed, so please like, share, and find the product links below if you are ready to start feeling better today.